In Star Battle, the goal is to place stars on a grid based on a few set of rules. So number one, two stars cannot be adjacent horizontally, vertically, or diagonally with one another. And this case is a one-star puzzle. So for one-star puzzles, you'll have to place exactly one star in each row, column, and shape. If this was a two-star puzzle, the stars per row, column, and shape must be two, but we're keeping things simple right now, so we're just going to keep this as a one-star puzzle. And this star is already given to us, so this star is placed here. So with that, if we move on to this shape right here, which is the shape of a rectangle outlined here, so logically, our next star, we cannot place it here or here, because here it's adjacent horizontally to this star. Here is adjacent diagonally to the star. So the only logical place we can place the star in this shape is right here. So if we move on to this square right here, the only logical place I can put this star is right here, because I cannot put a star here because one, it's adjacent to this star vertically, and it's also in the same column as this star. Similarly to this place, I cannot put a star here because if I put a star here, there'd be two stars in this column, which is not allowed. And I cannot place a star here because it's diagonally adjacent to this star. So the only logical place that I can put this star is right here. So if I put a star here, then if I move on to this square shape right here, the only logical place now I can put a star is here, because here it's adjacent horizontally to this star. If I put a star here, it's adjacent diagonally, and it's occupying the same row if I place the star here as this star right here. So that is not allowed by the rules that are set for Star Battle. So the only logical place I can set a star is right here. So which leaves us for one more star for this last square shape here outlined in purple. So the only place I can now put this star is here. I can't place it here, 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 or here. I can't place it here because it's adjacent vertically to this star. I can't place it here because it's adjacent diagonally. I can't place it here because it's adjacent horizontally to this, and it's also in the same column as this star right here. I can't place it here because it's adjacent diagonally to this star. I can't place it here because right now you're going to have two stars in this column and in this row. I can't place it here because it's adjacent, or it's in the same row as this star. Same reason for this. It's in the same row as this star, and it's also in the same column as this star. And I can't place it here because it's in the same column as this star, which means the only logical place left to place this star is here. Now, if I check my work, we can see there is one star per row, per column, and the stars are not adjacent horizontally, vertically, or diagonally with one another. So that's how you play Star Battle. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, I would appreciate if you could subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.